Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to move your image or diagram from left to any position in your Samsung Notes. So guys, many people are facing this problem and I will show you how to solve it. So I open the Samsung Notes and I open a new note. Okay, so I just select this option. So I open a new note. Now if you want to drag any image from Google or from your internet to your notes, and they are fixed to a certain position, so I will show you how to move it. So I just drag this tray from here, and then I open the Samsung internet in the split screen mode. So I just drag it and then I drop it over here to open in the split screen mode. So you can see over here I already searched some of the images in the Google. So whatever image you have, you can select it. Okay, so now for example I want to drag this image, okay, and I want to move it to my Samsung Notes. Okay, so now you can see I'm moving it to my Samsung Notes. Okay, so now once I move it to the Samsung Notes, I just close it a little. Okay, and now you can see if I want to make it big. Okay, so now I make it big, but I want to change its position, let's say towards right. Okay, so I move it here, but you can see it is not moving towards right, or I'm moving to down here. It is still fixed to this left position of your Samsung Notes. But now you want to move it to the other position in your Samsung Notes. So how you can do it? So simply what you can do, you just select the image, and then you see there are a small tray open on top, and you see these three dots over here. Just select it, and once you select it, you will see the very first option over here. It says remove anchor to text. Okay, so just select it. So once you select it, you are ready to go. Now you can move your image anywhere. So for example, I move it towards right. You can see I can easily move. I can move it here, move it up. So anywhere in your Samsung Notes. If you want to move it down, you can move it here. Okay, you can see anywhere in your Samsung Note. So guys, you can add more images as well, whatever you like. You can open a new page. You just open this split screen a bit more, and then you can search a new image, or you can just scroll it from your Google search, and you can then simply drag it to your page. So for example, I want to drag this image here, so I just put it like this. Okay, and then you are easily move it anywhere. For example, this is the image. Okay, and then now I want to move, I can move it anywhere. So you can see I can use even my S Pen and I can move it. Even if you want to add any text, you can also add the text. Okay, for example, you have some kind of text over here. So let's say you want to just select this text from here, and then you can also drag this one. I will show you. So for example, you have this one, and then you can just drag it. Okay, you can see over here I'm dragging this text and I can put it over here. So you can see it is also over there. And then if you want, you can also do the labeling as well with your pen. Okay, so you can make labels. Okay, to different parts. Okay, so you can see over here. And then text you can also add, as I showed you. So for example, you can put the text over here. So you can do a lot with this. So basically this option is anchor to text. If you select it back, anchor to the text, okay, it will go again to the left position. But if you want to move anywhere in the Samsung Notes, just select these three dots, select them, and then just remove anchor to text option. Then you are easy to go. You can move it anywhere in your screen. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.